Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Capital Carnage. I am Ken Carnage, and today we are going to be dissecting the short but very important Seventh Amendment. So, to start with, I'll just go ahead and read what the Seventh Amendment says. In suits of common law, where the value in controversy shall exceed $20, the right of trial by jury shall be preserved, and no fact tried by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of the common law. So what they're, near as I can tell, what they're discussing here is a couple of things. First off, when they talk about a suit of common law with value in controversy shall exceed $20. Today, that's something we would call a civil suit. That's, where one party is suing another for damages or whatnot. And generally speaking, it's civil suits usually end in monetary arrangement rather than actual prison time or jail time or anything else. So it's essentially saying that if the amount exceeds $20, that there has to be a jury involved. It can't just be up to the judge. Again, this is in the interest of trying to make things as fair as possible to everyone. So the and no fact tried by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States. That is what's commonly known today as double jeopardy, and it's not something you're allowed to do. It's if you were to be tried for, I don't know, let's pick something. If you were to be tried for stealing your best friend's mother's car and you're found not guilty, okay, or you can then not be tried again for stealing your best friend's mother's car, unless of course you were to do it again. You can't be, if you are tried for, if you are accused of committing a crime, a specific crime, on the 12th of January, let's say you're accused of, go with something silly. If you are accused of jaywalking on the 12th of January, okay, tried for it, 12th of January 2020, you're arrested for jaywalking, and you're tried and you get off. Okay, you're found not guilty of jaywalking. You cannot then the next week be tried again for jaywalking on the 12th of January 2020. They can't try you for the exact same offense twice. That's called double jeopardy. It's not allowed. And one of the main reasons why it's not allowed is because there are people out there who have the means, the money, and the desire who would just keep going after you until they got what they wanted, which would be, all your money gone, or perhaps they're looking to make you, shuffle off the mortal coil. So that is essentially what the Seventh Amendment does here. Is it protects you, it guarantees you trial by jury, even in monetary cases, and it guarantees you not the right not to be tried more than once for the same crime. So, and when you stop and think about it, again, every one of these amendments is important, but this one's very important because again, it's putting limitations on the law, on law enforcement. It's putting limitations on our legal system in order to protect the rights of we the people. So, That is the Seventh Amendment. I'll read it one more time for you. In suits of common law, where the value in controversy shall exceed $20, the right of trial by jury shall be preserved. And no fact tried by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of the common law. So, that being said, I mean, the Seventh Amendment, very, very simple, straightforward, and again, one you may not have heard of, one you may not think of day to day, one that is, maybe not necessarily thought of as being in danger or being infringed upon, but still so very much one of the most important amendments in our Bill of Rights. They're all important, some more so than others, but this one is, again, very important to preserving the freedom that we enjoy in our day-to-day lives. So, that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I am Ken Carnage, and I thank you for joining me. Be sure to come back next time when we cover the Eighth Amendment, but until then, si vis pacem. Parabellum.